video, it is going to be DIY gifts inspired by The Office. So if you see this, comment down below which character from The Office is your favorite character, or which scene from The Office is your favorite scene, and I'll get into the DIY gift.
My name is Michael Scott.
So my first gift idea is to make an Office themed Guess Who game. So I put all the pictures I wanted onto a Word document, then I printed them out, then I cut them out, then I put their names on them, and then I slid them into a Guess Who game, and I was done.
My name is Michael Scott.
So for the second gift idea, I got a mug and stickers from the dollar store, then I spelled out "That's what she said" onto the mug with stickers, and then I was done.
My name is Michael Scott.
So for the third gift idea, I printed out some pictures of the Office characters, then I taped them into a frame I got at the dollar store, then I added stickers, and then I was done.
Okay, so that was the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, you should like, comment, subscribe, follow me on my Twitter and Instagram, and add me on Snapchat because I had every single person back. And my goal of the year is to hit 30,000 subscribers, so please subscribe to help me get there. Okay, that's all I have to say, so goodbye!